Welcome to Adgen Studio. So you've reached this point and you now need to have the first headline on Google Ads, the second, the third, the first description, and the second description. So how do I come up with all this? So this is where Adgen Studios comes in. You come to Google Ads and you decide to create an ad. So let's say I want an ad for Africa Data School. We have a 12-week blockchain course. The audience I want is professional, young professionals. Go ahead and just create an ad. And within just probably less than a minute, we'll have all that content. So right there, right then, I have 3 options that I have here. So I can just say, I can just come here and copy this, put it here, and then take this, put it here, then take this, and put it here. And then finally, we have the description, and we put it here. So it could probably just, shorten it. And then the second description could be this. And that's it. You have all your descriptions. So yeah, that's it.